Lil bayti. Yes, brother Farooq.
Number 5. Where's the khabar in number 5?
Farooq, your question is, what is the khabar in number 5? Khabar in number 5 is fi haza. Are you with me? Fi haza is jar majroor, shibu jumla khabar. And then al-hayyi is your badal. And madrasatani is your mubtada. Got the idea? Inshallah. Number 7, lil bayti. These are very simple sentences, brother. But only they are in dual form. The mubtada is in dual form. Lil bayti, what is lil bayti? Jar majroor shibu jumla. For the house. What is for the house? There are 2 keys. Miftahani. Miftahani. Lil bayti, miftahani. So miftahani is your mubtada. And lil bayti is your khabar, jar majroor, shibu jumla khabar. Liman hatanil baqaratani. Liman hatanil baqaratani. What is your answer? Huma lil fallahi. Huma lil fallahi. So brother, huma is your mubtada and lil fallahi is your jar majroor shibu jumla khabar. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Number 9. Ahazanit tabibani. Ahazanit tabibani min inkaltarra. Are they from UK? La. Huma min Faransa. Huma min Faransa. What is huma? Mubtada. Where is our khabar? Min Faransa. What is min Faransa? Jar majroor. Shubu jumla khabar. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Fi qaryati masjidani saghirani. Now see here, fi qaryati. How many words? 3. Fi harf jar. Qaryati ism majroor wa huwa mudaf and ya mutakallim mudaf ilayhi. Fi qaryati jar majroor shibu jumla khabar muqaddam. And what is masjidani? Mubtada. Is it marfu? Yes. What is the sign of its marfu? Alif. And what is saghirani? Naat. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, brothers and sisters, we come to number 3. Once you understand the basic, it's all easy. The only thing is, now you will go home and write it, inshallah. Read the following example and then put in the empty spaces tamiz. Okay? Li kam. Wadabit. Wadabit. Akhirahu. The last of it. Akhirahu. Fine, brother. The example are, see, kam ukhtan laka. Kam kalaman indaka. Do you see ukhtan laka? Kalaman indaka. So with your relatives, you will use laka. And with things possessed that you possess, indaka. And then kam sayaratan fil jamiyati. And the noun underline is mansub. And what is it? Tamiz. Got the idea? It is tamiz. Okay. Sister Salma. Now, kam kalaman indaka. You will form the sentence by using kam kalaman indaka. So all that you are using is tamiz. Okay. Laka has come. What will you use? Kam ukhtan, akhan, ibnan, bintan. Are you with me? Kam, how will you say? Ukhtan, laka. Fine, brother. Abir. Fi hadhi shari. What do you see in the street? Sayaratan. sayaratan, or you can say kam fundukan. How many hotels? Kam fundukan or kam sayaratan. Huh? But we cannot count sayaratan. There are too many. Kam fundukan. Huh? Or if you are passing by York Mills and Leslie, you can say kam baitan kabiran. How many big houses are in this street? Okay. Now, fi karyati ka, in your village. Sister Sukhaina, what will you say? Kam masjidan fi karyati ka. Got the idea? Inshallah. Now, Sister Naima, fi faslikum. What will you say? In the class. What is in your class? Taliban. What will you say? Kam Taliban. How many? Yeah. Or you can say Kam Saburatan. How many blackboards in your class? Okay, fine. This is very nice, Sister Fatima. Fis sanati. What do you have in sana? Shahar. So what will you say? Kam shahran. What will you say? Are you with me? What is the meaning of shahran? Months. What do you say? Write down. Kam shahran. Huh? Sisters, is it all clear? Sister Maimuna? Sister Abir? Inshallah? Hafsa? Sister Sumayya? Does it make sense now? Huh? Okay. You got to work hard, huh, sister? Inshallah. Fine. What is the...
You can say 2 months.
Huh? Ji?
You can say 2 months.
No, answer will be different. We are only practicing how to ask a question. Huh? In this particular case, your answer can be anything. Huh? Fine. Okay, Sister Sumayya, is it your turn? Darrajatan is a bicycle. So what will you say? Kam wheels. Kam ajalatan. What is it? Kam ajalatan. Okay, brothers and sisters, kam ajalatan. Huh? Ajlatan. Ajalatan. 1 second, please. Ajalatan. Okay? Kam ajalatan. Liddaraja. How many wheels to the bicycle?
Can we use this question and answer? Can we use a tameez as in ajalatani?
Not in asking question. After come, see, there's a good question. Huh? If there's a confusion, it should be removed. When you are asking question with come, the tameez has to be singular noun. It can never be plural or dual. Are you with me? After come, the tameez that we are using has to be singular. Huh? So you will say, for example, kam baitan, kam kalaman, kam kitaban, kam dularan, kam sayaratan, and kam ajalatan, kam shahran, kam ibnan, kam bintan, kam ukhtan, kam akhan, kam sadiqan. Always singular. Fine. Sister Arifa, fi gurfatika. What will you say? What did she say? Kam sariran. That's good. How many beds in the room? Very good. Kam sariran fi gurfatika. Or you can even say kam kursiyan. Or you can say kam nafizatan. But kam sariran is a very beautiful question.